Hello everybody and welcome back to the Travel Gene Part 4. In this particular video we will be visiting a few sites. Again, I apologize for the long delay, but we've been traveling and developing new materials for you, the viewer. We will be visiting Tamun Ayun Temple, or Pura Tamun Ayun. We'll also be visiting Pura Tirtha Empul, which is a famous sacred bathing temple. We will also be visiting Ulandanu Beratan, which is a lake temple, and unfortunately, given the storm that we encountered, we're unable to actually visit the temple itself. We will also be traveling to Banyumala waterfalls, which were quite spectacular and made a very interesting hike. On the other hand, we did not go to Handura Gate, which is a very famous gate, but it's very touristy. You have to get up very early in the morning. There's a lot of trick photography that goes on, so it wasn't really interesting to us. We don't like that type of tourism. So without further ado, please sit back, enjoy the visual feast for the eyes, along with the associated music, and I hope that you'll enjoy this. As always, we thank you for your continued support, and please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, and thank you.
Waktu terus berputar tak berhenti, meski tak ingin berjalan. Malam hari ini terasa sunyi, dipadukan kerinduan. Ku terdiam, merenung, terbawa lamunan seakan hilang. Oh, ku tak bisa lalui hidupku sendiri tanpamu. Hanya dirimu yang sanggup membuat diriku sanggup. Tanpamu ku takkan sanggup. Hanya dirimu yang sanggup. Telah ku coba untuk kuatkan hati, lupakan yang telah berlalu. Apa yang kita telah jalani tidak akan pernah terganti. Ku terdiam, menangis, terbawa emosi, terasa pedih. Oh, ku tak bisa lalui hidupku sendiri tanpamu. Hanya dirimu yang sanggup membuat diriku sanggup. Tanpamu ku takkan sanggup. Hanya dirimu yang sanggup. Hari demi hari selalu ku sesali. Apakah mungkin kita putar balik waktu saat kita sedang penuh asmara, sebelum semua berubah? Terdiam, seakan hilang. Tak bisa sendiri tanpamu. Hanya dirimu yang sanggup. Terdiam, merenung, terbawa lamunan seakan hilang. Tanpamu ku takkan sanggup. Ku tak bisa lalui hidupku hanya dirimu sendiri tanpamu. Hanya dirimu yang sanggup. Terdiam, menangis, terbawa
So here we can see some of the fabulous architecture of the temples of Tamuna Yun. These mythical-looking creatures are known as Baron Ladong. And inside there was a museum which was quite interesting, with the history of the changes that have taken place within the temple and some of the images of the royal family. An interesting cultural experience. There are two types of gates within Balinese architecture. There is the split gate, known as the Candi Bentar, and the roof tower gate, known as the Paduraksa or the Kori Anggung. Here we are approaching the Banyumala waterfalls, and as I mentioned previously, it is really a magnificent work of nature and an interesting hike for anybody who eventually decides to visit here. As you can see, the flora along the trail was just absolutely spectacular. We really enjoyed it, and little Alexander was able to take some photographs as well.
memilih rupanya. Sudah terlanjur kau tak bisa memutar waktu. Tertulislah kisah kau dan dirinya. Bagaimana caranya bisa berakhir di sini? Janji kita berdua dibuang begitu saja. Ketika harus memilih antara aku dan dia, bila cinta telah hilang, bukankah ada jalannya? Apa kurangku yang dia beri padamu? Terhapuslah kisah aku dan dirimu. Karena dirinya, bagaimana caranya bisa berakhir di sini? Janji kita berdua dibuang begitu saja. Ketika harus memilih antara
kampanandenek umanggap näekile